Chapter 10. Our Mineral Wealth. Learning Objectives. Minerals, Metallic Minerals, Non-Metallic Minerals, Conservation of Minerals. Minerals. Minerals are the resources found deep inside the earth. They were formed by the forces of nature millions of years ago. This underground wealth consists of various minerals like coal, iron, copper, mica, gold, silver, and mineral oil. The place from where a mineral is extracted or taken out is called a mine. Minerals are generally found mixed with rocks. A rock containing a large quantity of mineral is called the mineral ore. The mineral ore is mined through a shaft or a deep hole dug deep inside the earth to bring out the mineral. Minerals are of two types. 1. Metallic minerals. 2. Non-metallic minerals. Fact File. A quarry is a place from where minerals or stones are taken out. Metallic minerals. Iron. Iron is the base of all the modern industrialization. All the industries practically depend on it. Iron is primarily used to make utensils, machinery, transport equipments, tools, and other things. Iron is used in the building of dams, houses, factories, and bridges. Iron is not found in its pure form. It is mixed with sand and soil. It is extracted from iron ore. India is very rich in iron deposits. 1/4 of the total iron deposits of the world are found in India. Iron ore is mostly found in Jharkhand, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh and Goa and in the Deccan Plateau. Iron and steel plants are mostly located in Bokaro, Bhilai, Durgapur, Rourkela, Jamshedpur and Salem. Mica. Mica is used in electrical goods. India is a leading producer of mica. It is found in Rajasthan, Jharkhand and Andhra Pradesh. Manganese. It is used to make steel and various alloys. Its reserves are found in Karnataka, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and Goa. India is the world's second largest producer of manganese. Aluminium. Aluminium is extracted from bauxite. It is very light and is therefore used for making aeroplanes, utensils and other household goods. Large reserves of aluminium are found in Jharkhand, Odisha, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Gold. It is an expensive metal. The deepest mine is found in Kolar in Karnataka. It is also found in Andhra Pradesh. Non-metallic minerals. Coal, petroleum and natural gas are the three important non-metallic minerals. They are also known as fossil fuels. Coal. Coal is a good source of energy. It is used as fuel in homes, factories, mills and powerhouses. Jharia, Bokaro and Giridih in Bihar and Raniganj in West Bengal are the major area of coal mines. Fact File. There are 4 types of coal: peat, lignite, bituminous and anthracite. The best quality coal is anthracite. India has large reserves of bituminous coal. Petroleum. Petroleum is also called mineral oil. It is found deep under the ground or the sea. It is a big source of energy. It is so useful that it is called liquid gold. We obtain petrol, diesel, kerosene, spirit, thinner and many other things from the mineral oil. Areas where oil is found are called oil fields. There are 3 major mineral oil producing regions in India. They are in Assam, Gujarat and near Mumbai. The main oil producing centers are Bombay High, Digboi, Oleshwar, Kambe and Sibsagar. Natural gas. Natural gas is also found in some oil fields and is preferred over other fuels because it is non-polluting, cheap and easily available in abundance. LPG, liquefied petroleum gas and CNG compressed natural gas are its forms. Fact file: Bombay High is an offshore oil field 160 kilometers off the coast of Mumbai. Conservation of minerals. Mineral deposits are limited and cannot last forever. They cannot be made by man, therefore we must use them carefully. We should try to replace them with renewable sources of energy like the sun, the wind and the water. These are alternate sources of energy. Solar cookers and solar heaters should be used more extensively to save our coal and petroleum reserves. All metals, paper and glass products should be recycled to conserve our resources. Recycling. Recycling means collecting used objects and melting them to have new objects rather than throwing them away. Points to remember. Minerals are those resources which are buried deep beneath the earth's surface. Metallic minerals are those from which we can extract metals such as iron, gold, copper, silver and manganese, etc. Coal, petroleum and natural gas are the three important non-metallic minerals. They are also known as fossil fuels. Mineral deposits are limited and cannot last forever. We should use renewable sources of energy like the sun and wind in place of mineral resources. These are also known as alternate sources of select